Right, so I'm going to try and make a turkey roost, turkey shelter on the wheels so I can drag it around from paddock to paddock. I'm going to use that set of wheels there, obviously, an old fence panel and plastic off an old polytunnel to put over top of it. So let's see if I can put this together and make it mobile. It's another lovely sunny day. I have that up level now. I'm going to put the frame on top of that and then cut some braces out of 2x1 for each of the uprights, just to make sure they're 100% solid. Because I'm doing this on my own, when I lift the roof up on top it's going to be heavy, so I don't want the pieces of wood wobbling on me. I lost my house keys in the field last night as well. That's a bit of a pain in the hole. I now look for them this morning and say I can't find them anywhere. So I don't know where the fuck they are. It was dark last night when I got home to do a feed and lock all the chickens up. Oh, that's a big splinter. Fuck's sake. So I'm going to knock every second panel out of this. Because it's too heavy, I don't need them all on it. Fucking made for it, like a glove. Some of you may or may not have noticed that I had them roof flats on the wrong way. They were going across that way, so of course the water wouldn't run down the tarp and over them, so I had to change them back this way. Didn't too bad, but you can see she's good and solid. So I just need to fix a couple of these more down, then I get the tarp over it. Like it's basically finished now. Look how easy this is to move. So once that's bolted to the two frames are bolted together, it'd be great. You just wheel it all the way down the field, wheel it into a new position, and around. It's a lot lighter than I expected it to be. Look at me. Okay, so this is the first version of the turkey house, turkey shelter. So I got 3 roosting bars in there. You can see turkeys already using it there now. So they've copped on already. Oh, there's another one. I just cut that piece off and threw it on top there. I was gonna put my blue tarp over it. Somebody else mentioned to me that having the greenhouse cover on it, it might roast the turkeys over. But now that it's starting to get a bit cooler, I think it's actually a better idea having that on it, because they're still not fully, they're kind of feathered out, but they're not fully feathered out. So if they get wet, they're going to get cold. It's a possibility of dying. So at least now they'll have the extra heat coming through the greenhouse effect, if they even use it. It's very hard to get turkeys to do what you want to do. But as I say, I just strapped it all up. I just fixed it to it with electric fence. So I put these pieces of wood on each corner so I can strap rope to it, rather than have to try and nail this plastic to it, because if you nail plastic things and the wind comes along, it just rips through the nails. So now that I have it tied down in each corner, it should be a hell of a lot stronger for the winter storms. You can see the way it's all done there. So it should be much stronger now. It's a bit rough looking, but we'll see how it goes, because it's going to be needing adjustments. So there's the connect tank there, and then there's the drinker. So it holds about a little over half a gallon at a time. It's a very slow feed because it's only a short drop on it there, but they're not going to drink a half a gallon in a half an hour, so it's plenty. By the time it fills up, it'll be good enough. It's very easy to move, very easy to roll or to reel, except for when you hit big lumps of stuff and stones and all. So I'm happy enough with it. Let's hope the turkeys will like it. I'm just going to put a piece of plastic over the top of that lid in case you do start using the top roost bars, so none of their shit gets in the water. And then that piece of mesh there, it's there only really to hold that there and to make sure the turkeys don't jump on there, because I don't want them shitting in there. So you know, that's the only reason that's there. It could be a little bit tidier looking, but you know, tight for time every day. So I just do it as quickly as I can with whatever materials I have. This cost me absolutely nothing to put together, as you can probably tell by looking at it.